are so many fun rides here. Here is a park map for you.
Thank you, Mom. This helps a lot. Look at all these rides. I feel excited.
I do not know where to start.
That ride looks scary, but fun.
That one looks even cooler to me.
This is the zip line ride. It is fast and a little dangerous.
I really want to try it. Me too. It looks amazing.
This line is so long. Yes, I do not like waiting either.
Let us move a little forward. No one will see us. Sorry, sir.
Hey, watch where you are going.
I am so sorry. We are very ashamed.
We just wanted to go faster.
Waiting is not so bad after all. Yes. Let us wait our turn politely.
Tom, Anna, wait your turn.
No pushing. That is not polite.
I understand. I will wait.
That is the right thing to do.
Let me check your height.
Okay. I hope I am tall enough.
Sorry, you are not tall enough.
Oh no. I feel so sad. I really wanted you to try it.
Safety comes first, Tom.
You can try it when you are older.
Okay. I understand now.
Please follow the rules and sit tight.
This is amazing!
It feels like flying.
I am recording this. Smile for me.
Safe landing. Great job.
That was so fun!
You can try next time, Tom.
I will wait until I am ready. Look at this colorful ride! It makes me dizzy but happy.
You can see the whole park from here.
This view is beautiful.
Bumper cars are fun. I will drive fast.
Oops, sorry, Dad.
No problem. That is part of the game.
This is so funny!
I have not laughed like this in a while.
That big wheel looks nice. Let us ride it together. Let us sit close. This ride feels calm.
Everything looks small from here.
It is very pretty.
Let us get some drinks.
I am very thirsty. What do you want, Tom?
Orange juice, please.
What is happening over there? I want to see. I will take a quick look. Here is your drink.
Thank you, Mom.
Where is Tom?
He was just here.
I do not see him.
This is not good. Tom, where are you?
Please answer us.
I will check over yeah. I will check over there.
with me.
Have you seen my son?
No. I am looking for my child too.
This is scary.
Stay calm. We will find him.
This movie looks fun.
Yes, let us go inside.
You need an adult with you. Oh,
Oh, okay. That is too bad. I cannot find my family.
Me neither. It is very crowded.
My legs hurt. I feel tired.
I am scared. I want my mom. My mom.
It is okay. Our parents will find us.
Let us stay here. It is a busy place. Someone will help us.
hey kids. Why are you crying? Here, take some candy. I can help you.
My dad said no candy, not from strangers. We cannot go with you. We will stay here.
Okay. Good luck. Good luck.
That was scary.
You did the right thing. Thank you for helping me. That is what friends do.
I see Tom. He is over there.
Tom, I found you. I was so scared. You are safe now.
Thank goodness.
We were so worried. I am so happy you are okay.
I stayed in a busy place. Waiting for help. I waited for help.
That was a smart choice.
We just want you safe.
Rule 1. Stay with family. Never walk away alone.
Rule 2. No food from strangers, even if they look kind.
Rule 3. Do not follow strangers. Always be careful.
Rule 4. Stay in busy places. Ask staff for help.
I am really sorry. I will not do it again.
Thank you for saying that.
We trust you, Tom.
Let us stay together. Always, always, Anna.
Let us use the map.
Good idea.
I feel better now.
Me too. It feels safe again.
I am happy again.
Me too.
Me too. I will not walk away again.
That is all we want.
Stay close to us.
Today is still a good day.
Yes, it is.
I learned something important. Safety matters.
I am proud of you.
Thanks, Anna. Thanks, Anna.
Let us enjoy the rest of the day.
Together as a family.
Stay close and stay safe. Always stay safe.